Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic dismantling of engine and its components. Imagine a vehicle that suddenly loses power, overheats, or produces unusual engine noises. Simply replacing external parts may not solve the problem because the real issue may lie deep inside the engine. To identify these faults accurately, the engine must be dismantled in a systematic and safe manner. In this presentation, we'll explore the purpose of engine dismantling, the required tools, safety precautions, dismantling procedures, and component inspection techniques. Why engines are dismantled? Now let's understand why engine dismantling is necessary. Engine dismantling is usually performed during major repairs or complete overhauls when internal faults cannot be identified externally. It allows technicians to inspect worn or damaged components such as pistons, bearings, valves, and crankshafts. A proper dismantling process helps improve engine performance, extend service life, and ensure reliable operation after reassembly. Safety precautions before dismantling. Before beginning any dismantling work, safety should always be the highest priority. First, disconnect the battery to eliminate electrical hazards. Allow the engine to cool completely before handling it and safely drain the engine oil and coolant. Wear personal protective equipment such as gloves and safety glasses and securely mount the engine on a stand. Finally, label all hoses, wires, and connectors to make reassembly easier and error-free. Tools and equipment required. The success of engine dismantling depends on using the correct tools and equipment. Common tools include socket and spanner sets for removing bolts, torque wrenches for accurate tightening during reassembly, engine hoists for lifting heavy engines, and bearing pullers for removing tightly fitted components. Cleaning solvents, trays, and labels help organize engine parts, making inspection and reassembly more efficient and preventing the loss of small components. General sequence of engine dismantling. Now let's look at the proper sequence of engine dismantling. The process begins by disconnecting the battery and draining all engine fluids. External accessories such as the alternator, starter motor, and intake and exhaust manifolds are removed first. Next, the cylinder head, timing components, pistons, connecting rods, and finally the crankshaft are dismantled. Following this sequence reduces the risk of damage and ensures smooth and organized maintenance. Dismantling major engine components. After removing the external components, attention shifts to the engine's major internal parts. The cylinder head bolts are loosened gradually in the reverse tightening order to prevent distortion. Pistons and connecting rods are carefully removed through the cylinder after removing the bearing caps. The crankshaft is lifted only after removing the main bearings, while the camshaft is extracted after releasing the timing mechanism. Careful handling prevents scratches and unnecessary damage. Inspection and handling of components. Once dismantling is complete, every component must be cleaned thoroughly before inspection. Technicians check for wear, cracks, corrosion scoring, and dimensional inaccuracies. Components should be labeled and stored according to their original positions to avoid confusion during reassembly. Damaged gaskets, seals, bearings, and fasteners are usually replaced with new ones. Proper inspection ensures that only serviceable components are reused, improving engine reliability and performance. In conclusion, successful engine dismantling requires proper planning, safety precautions, suitable tools, and a systematic procedure. Careful removal and inspection of engine components help identify hidden faults, reduce maintenance errors, and improve engine efficiency. By following standard dismantling practices, technicians can ensure accurate repairs, reliable engine performance, and a longer service life. Thank you for watching, and I hope this presentation has provided a clear understanding of engine dismantling and its importance. Thanks for watching.